Xiaomi's Redmi 13 series got its latest edition with the Redmi 13 4G. This is a direct successor to last year's Redmi 12, with the main upgrades being the new MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra chipset and 108MP main cam. Redmi 13 4G comes in blue, black and pink colors. Redmi 13 4G features the same 6.79-inch IPS LCD with FHD Plus resolution and 90Hz refresh rate like its predecessor, but with a 13MP front-facing camera embedded in the screen. Redmi 13 come with dual camera setups on its back, 108MP main camera, and 2MP. Redmi 13 is powered by the Helio G91 Ultra chipset and up to 8GB of RAM plus 256GB storage. It will run on Android 14 with a HyperOS on top. There's a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, IP53 water and dust resistance. The phone packs a 5030 mAh battery with support for 33W charging. Redmi 13 4G starts at €199.99 for the 6/128GB version and goes up to €229.99 for the 8/256GB trim. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.